name, and my name is, and then we spell, mine is Jenniffer if you'd like, and your name, what? We can put together with what we've learned. It's nice to meet you. And I forgot, it's nice to meet you too. How are you? Or how are you? Or how are you feeling? And a couple of feelings. Fine. Tired. Oh no. Just realized it wasn't recording the sound. Oh, that's not good. We'll voice back over it. Good. Sick. Bad. Pain. Happy. Sad. Worried. Excited. Stressed. Upset, or one hand, upset. Hungry. Thirsty. Surprised. Exhausted. Grumpy. We'll talk later. Need help. Help with what or what? Stand up. Get a drink. Make a phone call for me. Call who or who. Awesome.